So, whenever you're watching YouTube or any kind of video on any platform, you'd like to change customize the video speed other than 2x or 1.5x or something. So, actually, I came up with this video because one of the subscriber commented that the videos are too long. So, to watch any video that is very longer or to customize speed as you want, just search on Google video speed controller and go into the first link. It will open up here, something like this. We just need to add already added, and after that just click on pin the extension, click on it, open the options. So here it is my preferred shortcuts that I have selected. You can just add new and type whatever you want. So these are what I have already like they follow pattern like X D R E W Q in increasing order of 0.5. And these are some options that you can configure according to your preference. And yeah, just save it and don't click on restore default, or else all the settings that you lost that you made will be lost. Let's try it. So this is my video on YouTube, and yeah, it's like when I click on D 2x or 4x instead 2.5x. When I click on again X, and if I click on Q 4x, and if I click again on Q 1x, like this. And I didn't find any bugs in this extension. So once you made these settings, you can use them in like in any platform other than YouTube. So you'll be after you get used to these settings, you will be using them forever, and you won't change them. And for me, I find it very helpful during exams when you have to complete 20 to 30 videos in 1 or 2 hours just before the exam. Yeah, that's it for this video.